Right, I was going to do a repair video on the FT-227. Previous video on this radio, it wasn't putting out 10 watts like it should be, so gone online and done a bit of research, and there's one website. Okay, he had one, wasn't putting out 10 watts, and I thought, okay, I'll use his website, as a reference. So last time I tried this, 10 watts wouldn't appear. It'd be out there on the needle power meter. Indicated 1.5 on high and low power. So I thought we got some time. Let's try it. So high power. Oh look, it's reading 10 watts now. On low power, the needle won't move much. Weird. So it's either dry solder joint or it's just the Yaesu being doing Yaesu things. But, so yeah, no video, no long video fixing this thing. Why fix something that's already fixed? Well, they probably guarantee that when they do take this out of portable, it'll do the same thing. So I think I'll be checking all the solder joints, and then the dry ones I'll reflow. I'm not going to do a video on that because it'd just be boring as hell. Oh well, what's next?